Hi, I'm Kunal Raginwar. So, was it a tough day in the market? If it was, it's not a problem because it genuinely was a very narrow ranging day. आज हम देखेंगे कि एग्जैक्टली क्या हुआ, क्या करना चाहिए था, what is okay, what is not okay, and we'll have a look at what to expect for tomorrow. So before I start, please share, like and subscribe. It helps a ton. So now, welcome to the Game Changers. तो बैंक निफ्टी में हम लोग ने कल बात की थी विच वॉज ऑन फ्राइडे. वी सेड दैट हम लोग ऐसा रिट्रेसमेंट लेंगे फॉर शॉर्टिंग. वी वॉन्ट प्राइस टू क्रॉस दिस 50% एंड मेक अ कंसोलिडेशन काइंड ऑफ मूव, राइट. So what we wanted exactly was something to break this 50% level, consolidate, and then break down. Okay. Now, can you see that this pattern did not happen here and did not happen here also? There is no kind of consolidation and then a breakdown. ये direct sharp reversal हो रहा है, from this level. If one has taken this pivot, ये जो pivot है, right, and this breakdown, if one has traded, it is not wrong. But what one should do is take it with half risk. Because at the same time, if you see Nifty ka chart, Nifty wasn't falling at all during that time. Okay? So whatever you do, you have to do with half risk. Now, you'll ask me कि ये तो ट्रेड नहीं चला. नहीं चला तो नहीं चला. There are some days where the setups will not work. ऐसी गारंटी थोड़ी ना है कि हर दिन हर सेटअप चलने वाला है. नहीं. Sometimes it doesn't work. So what saves you is your risk management and money management. So risk management would have taken only half risk here. Now what to expect for tomorrow? आज देखा जाए तो बहुत ही नैरो डे था. दिस इज वेरी वेरी नैरो. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव द ड्रॉइंग्स. वेरी वेरी नैरो रेंज डे. वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ टू साइडेड व्यू. मतलब क्या, शॉर्ट के लिए व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज ये ऐसे करेंगे, पूरा रिट्रेसमेंट लेंगे. फॉर टुमारो वी वांट अ 3 minute ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ दिस 61% एंड 61% ओनली. ये जो 61% लेवल है, ओनली दैट विल कंसिडर. वी वांट अ ब्रेकडाउन, कंसोलिडेशन एंड देन अनदर ब्रेकडाउन. दैट इज अ वैलिड सेटअप फॉर शॉर्टिंग. फॉर गोइंग लॉन्ग, I would like to be more bullish than bearish, but we'll keep the short view as well. For going long, I'm very clear. ये जो हाई है ना आज का, वो मार्क करेंगे. What we want is price to break out like this, do a 3 minute pivot, not consolidation, and then break out. This 3 minute pivot, it's okay if it happens near the high. It's not a problem. Ideally, I would like it to happen above the high. मतलब क्या, ये जो दिन का हाई है, I would like price to break like this, 3 minute pivot and then break out. This is what I would like, but both scenarios are valid. ठीक है. Now, we've discussed two scenarios, a bullish and a bearish. The bearish scenario, I'll still do it with half risk because overall trend market में अभी भी bullish है. Unless something really changes and some news comes out and then we get price action उसके साथ, then it's fine. Otherwise, I would look to avoid. Not avoid, half risk. Now, the only thing that one shouldn't do on a day like today is something called as over trading. Just because trade नहीं मिल रहा है, you will find out ways to trade. You shouldn't do that. You should avoid. Preservation of capital is crucial on such days. Chalo, bye. See you tomorrow.